Hey guys, it's Justine, and I have one of my favorite subscriptions ever. It is JerkySnob. And if you were watching last month, we did upgrade. So this is 1 pound of beef jerky. So this is like a bigger box. So let's get started. And I'm so excited. And I'm not sure like on the logistics of it. I think it's like $50-ish or $45, just depending. I'd have to look. They do ship to Canada. They're based in the States. I'm not sure about other international shipping. And I'm not sure if they just do like double up the same beef jerky or if you get like all different ones. So they always send you like a kind of this card of who's featured. So we have Righteous Felon, Fusion, and Pearson Ranch Jerky. And it tells you like a bunch about them in case you're interested. Then in case you guys want to try this box and you want 10% off, use the code FRIEND at checkout and you will get your 10% off. So that's always awesome. Okay, let's get started. The first one is Righteous Fellow Jerky, smoke flavor beef jerky, baby blue barbecue sweet kick sauce, sweet barbecue blend of habaneros and serranos. And I got the mild box. Why am I getting habaneros? These are resealable, which are like my favorite ones. So we will see. They're gonna kill me. The habaneros. It smells good. So this one looks like that. It feels like a bit, it's like dry but not at the same time. It's really good. I'm getting the kick now. Yep. But it's not like too terrible. It is pretty kicky, but not, I could probably eat a little bit more of that. Then I have Righteous Felon Craft Jerky and OG Hickory. I feel like I've got this one before and I liked it, so that's good. Okay. And this one's more, well, it's bigger pieces. This one's more moist. So it looks like this. I kind of like the other one better actually, just because now that I tried the other one, that one tastes like a little bit mild. So okay, this one looks fun. Fusion Jerky, Basil Citrus Artesian Beef Jerky. I think we've had stuff from this company before, but it wasn't basil citrus, it was something else. Oh, it smells so good. This one's like very like coated in seasoning. And this one's very, like, moist. So this one looks... I'll try to get a little bit closer for you guys so you can see all of the coating on it. Just like that. I'm picking up both the citrus and the basil. It's almost like it gives your mouth like a cooling effect as opposed to like the hot one. I like it. I also like the packaging because it's bright green. Now I probably have like all kinds of nasty in my teeth. Okay, then we've had this brand before as well, Lawless Jerky. This is Honey Chipotle. And I think we also had this one before. It looks familiar, guys. So it looks like this. This one's more of like a drier formula. Really dry. It has a good flavor, but it's like really dry. Really, really dry. We've had this one before as well, same brand, Lawless Jerky, and this is faux flavor. Oh, I didn't rip it far enough. And this almost looks exactly the same. Same, like, dry formula. It smells like soy sauce. Or something. This is rated a 2 out of 5 heat, which is kind of funny. What was this one? They're both 2 out of 5. So they are a bit kicky for me, so I'd wonder what a 5 would be like. I wouldn't want to try it, but... Then we have Righteous Felon, the Victorious B.I.G. Beer-Infused Gastronomy. Again, this is a repeat product. And I think we both like this one. I'm just happy the repeat products are ones we actually liked. Because it'd be crappy if they're ones you didn't like. So this one looks like this. You can see kind of like little garlic pieces on it. Still one of the best ones. And it's moist. I like moist, flavorful beef jerky. Okay, and then we have one more bag. People's Choice handmade beef jerky, carne seca limon con chili. I don't know. That clearly was not pronounced properly, but I feel like this one might be spicy. But it's chili lime, basically. This one's not resealable. I want a little piece. Okay. So again, this one looks like a drier formula. It is kind of coated with stuff. No, I don't like that one. It tastes too, like, meaty. You know when meat still has fat on it? And if you get, like, meat and fat mixed together, that's what that tastes like. I don't like it. Not about that. And then I have 3 more things. The first one is Pearson Ranch Elk Smoked Snack Stick. It does have pork, in case you can't eat pork, and it's smoke flavored. So it comes in this kind of a package. Looks like this, and we are going to try some. I do like wild meat. Some people are picky, or not picky, but don't like the taste of like the wilderness. Smells good. Mm-hmm. It's like wild smoke. Okay. And then from the same guys, we have Buffalo Smoked Snack Stick. Pearson Ranch. Oh, that one was spicy. Spicy at the end. Looks like this. Just like a pepperoni stick, essentially. Which I don't actually like pepperoni, so we'll see. The other ones were good. They weren't, like, my thing with pepperoni is, like, it's fatty, and I don't like that. Like, you can taste the fattiness. That was good. This texture's softer. I prefer the elk. Hubby will get that one. And then I have the same one, Pearson's Ranch Venison Hickory Smoked Jerky. So they were all hickory smoked. Or smoked, I should say, not necessarily hickory. Did I show you guys this one before I'm like mowing down? Is it gonna focus? Are we focusing? I don't know if that focused, but you'll just have to trust me. This one's spicy. It says pepper on it, so it's like that peppery. It's fine, like, yeah. So that's everything. I really liked it. We have the single piece of beef jerky, the elk ones, the buffalo pepperoni, plus the lemon chili beef jerky, which I didn't care for. Another of the Victoria's B.I.G. 2 Lawless jerkies, faux and honey chipotle. That's 4 bags. Plus the basil citrus, the Righteous Felon OG hickory, and the baby blue barbecue from them. So I think we had 3 repeats out of 7 bags. But this is like a pretty good haul because usually we get 4 bags and that's it. And this one was 7 bags plus 3 other things. So I'm really, really happy with that. Let me know if you guys get JerkySnob or if you've tried any of these just randomly on your own. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye!